Okay, so I'm Leanne,
And I'm Ken.
and we're on Holly Hill, and they have started digging the foundation. We're super excited.
Yeah.
A lot of
You
great,
can see it right back there.
yeah, a lot of great big holes in where the house is going. So it's super exciting. So,
All right, well, let's bring them over there and show them what's going on.
all right.
This is right here, this line right here. This is going to be the outer porch. And here is the walls for the foundation. And inside there is the different foundations that they're going to use for the supports. And as we showed you before, here's the garage going to go right there. They built that up. And then way over there is where the workshop's going to go. Yeah. Huh?
Looks like they've leveled that out some.
They did some. Yep. Right here. That'll come off of the house with the covered porch, and then it'll come out to about right there. And then over here will be our deck where we get to sit out here. It's going to be a big one, I'm telling you. It's going to be good.
Sit right here and watch the sunset.
Yeah, it's blinding right now. You can see, but it's going. And then let's walk down here. I'll be right back. We are about, I'd say about, what do you think this is? About 30 or 40 feet away from the house?
I would think so.
From the porch. Okay, so right here, we think this is where they're going to end up putting it, right around here. They've done it out. Not really sure, and that'll give me this back area down here that they're flattening out for my storage yard, basically. They're gonna have to build some of this up, take some of it down, and it'll be nice.
You don't think that he'll want to put it where it's built up right there?
I don't want my workshop back that far.
You don't want it that far?
I won't have anywhere to put anything in the back there. I won't be able to turn my vehicle around with the...
Let's talk about right here, because that seems higher. Of course, this is all downhill, so it's going to have to be built up.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I don't think we'd want it any further than right here.
Yeah. We'll have to ask them. They will be coming next week, hopefully, to put the temporary power line in, the actual power line up that hill, and hook it on up.
So today was my day. Ken had to work, so I had to work too. However, of course, we've talked about doing the electrical stuff earlier this week. Today we did the water tap. So Rick went and got the water tap, came by the office and gave me all the paperwork. I got all that stuff done and submitted. We also have this, it's not really a mailbox, but a permitting box. So all of our permits and such will go in here. It's as you come up into the property, so things are really happening. We're getting really excited. About to have a farmhouse.
All right, so a lot got done today, huh?
Yeah, things are really moving fast.
I think they are, with the water tap, got a dugout for the foundation. I mean, they got the temp power box in, got a lot of stuff going on.
Monday, so.
Yeah, well, hopefully Monday, hopefully. Well, we appreciate you watching. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you know when everything comes out. And
leave us a comment. Tell me some ideas you have for a farmhouse. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Journeys with Ken and Leanne.
All right, until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey.